Hello and welcome to a shed show. It's snowing. What else can I tell you?
I was going to tell you all these jokes I'd written about Elon Musk, but you don't want to hear that from me, do you? You just want to hear me sort of muttering in my shed.
Right from the beginning, I wanted a window on the back side of the shed, so so I could see the sheep and keep up to date with their gossip. So I made that provision for a window. Now I'm going to cut it open. I'm a bit nervous about it because I'm not sure if I'm technically allowed to have a window there. It might upset the neighbours, and by neighbours I don't mean sheep, although they could get upset, but I don't speak sheep. Alright, I'm going to go for it. I can always fill it back in, I think. Yeah, okay.
Maybe I'll do a few of these Elon Musk jokes while you watch me make this window. Elon Musk looks like a Pritt stick on the floor of a mortuary. Elon Musk makes me feel the same way cling film dressing gowns for the terminally ill make me feel. Elon Musk looks like the kind of penis you'd see in a journal of tropical disease, but with hair plugs and a tiny leather jacket. Elon Musk looks like he's in a biker gang called the Condensed Milks. Elon Musk is the kind of guy who spreads Vaseline on his toast, and if you questioned it, he'd say, "If you know, you know," with a big, wet, greasy mouth. Accepting the fact that people listen to Elon Musk is like accepting that all the toothpaste everywhere has now been replaced with pineapple-flavoured lube. Elon Musk is like if you went walking in the rain for 24 hours, took your boots off, and the skin on your heels said, "I want to go to Mars." He's like if a polystyrene cup of chicken guts said, "Why aren't we at Mars yet?" Elon Musk is proof that a white South African can still surprise you with the things they get up to. That's probably all of them. I hope he does go to Mars. Elon Musk has more chance of going to Mars than getting a hug off his dad. And if you do drive a Tesla, remember, every second you're in that car, you're saving the planet from having to spend time with you.
Look, slush puppy. The thing about having a dog is you've got to get them out whatever the weather. Doesn't matter if it's raining or snowing or if there's a post-apocalyptic fireball. You've still got to get it outside. Fireball be damned. Dog's got a poo.
But listen to me pretending I'm some sweet old man who hasn't just said a series of increasingly bleak and brutal things about a billionaire he doesn't know. I think billionaires should be free to interfere in our political systems and destroy the planet. Oh, look, I forgot to blur out the shed. Hey, listen, press the like button if you got this far, and follow me if you think I should make more. And please don't assassinate me, Mr. Musk.